sound check. Hardy positions, give me a second. Are we live? Maybe yes, maybe not. Maybe, just maybe. Alright, we're live, right? Okay, everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Yeah, this month, everybody, we are going to change the schedule a little bit, alright? Because we have the virtual office, okay, everybody? It's going to be this time. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Max, Paul, Pauline, Marcus, how are you, everybody? Never forget, the goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years in an institutional way. As always, everybody, what does this mean? You're first an analyst and then you become a trader, alright? This is the free manual. So here is the Forex Course 101, it's for free. Everybody, if you didn't receive the manual, ask for it, send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Alright, everybody? So the goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader potentially in 3 years on average in an institutional way. Okay, you are going to graduate from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading, everybody. Number 2, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. And if you want this, the little book of trading secrets with this beautiful man, please visit the website please visit the website www.fxbossfx.com. okay, it's for free. So moving forward, this one and this one. Risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We're here to learn, especially in the Forex Trading Week, where the purpose is to apply what we have learned so far into the live markets, right? So we finished 2 weeks ago the first 17 lessons, first 18 what is support, so the first 17 lessons we finished. Yeah, that's for free, it's free manual. We just finished the first 17 lessons, everybody. Okay, anything else? For questions and homeworks, everybody, you have my Gmail. Connect on Teams if you want, talk to other traders, you know. Okay, everybody, and that being said, I believe we can go, right? Okay, so far we have Romildo was shorting AUD CAD, Olga was long on AUD CAD, everybody. Let's see how AUD CAD is. Okay, oh, what's the process, right? Please type in the chat, buy or sell, what asset do you want to trade, what pattern do you want to trade, what time frame do you want to trade, where is the stop loss and where is the take profit. Okay, everybody, just to shorten the time. In Portuguese, compra, venda, qual ativo, qual padrão, qual tempo gráfico, aonde vai o stop loss, aonde vai o take profit. That being said, everybody, is anybody in here on USD CAD? Is anybody in here on USD CAD? Everybody, give me a second. Did we crown in here? Did we crown on this one? Give me a second. Whoa, that's a difficult one. Did we crown maybe for a pip? Give me a second, everybody. Looks like we did, right? Looks like we did crown. Yes, we did, just for a tiny pip. Anyway, everybody, we're looking to AUD CAD. Alright, so give me a second. Romildo shorting the 4-hour chart. Olga long on the short-term trend on the 4-hour chart. Okay. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar, everybody, with widgets, right? So the widget has more or less the same up in here, right? The same support resistance, but the lower it goes, like so. This is a widget, right? Makes sense, everybody? So potentially 7 times out of 10, you know, it gets kind of like of this, but not today, not yet. Is Todd here? Todd is here, everybody. Shorting, daily shorten trend on Bitcoin. Wow, how is Bitcoin? Todd was, well, maybe yes, maybe not, we don't know. right? Todd, do you want to stay in or do you want to cash out the position? We're at support, Todd. You know, everybody, we are here to implement what we have learned so far, right? So it was this is not a low, so lower low, lower high, and then lower low potentially. You do have a confirmed downtrend. Todd, you're up $3, which is pips, is 300 to 20 pips. Todd, you're the biggest winner so far. There is no right or wrong. If you want, Todd, if you want. Okay. Stay in. Alright, let's stay in. So we have Todd staying in. Olga, I'm not sure Olga is here. She's working. EuroCAD long. EuroCAD. This is the golden nugget, right? The minimum requirement for you to become a good analyst, it's skill. In order to make pips, you must get the direction right, get the timing right, get the pattern right. I mean, there are more of those, right? Not to risk more than you make. Okay, probabilities too, right? Get the direction, timing, probabilities. We can amplify this one, everybody. Get the pattern right. Number 4. Get the probabilities right, which is alignment in multiple time frames, and then the next one is 4, is going to be 5, right? Whoops, give me a second, everybody. That's going to be 5, right? So we're going to check out. Whoops, I just deleted what I shouldn't. Where is the undo? There you go. Okay, everybody, give me a second. Out. There you go. Talking about golden nuggets, right? Okay. We are here about EuroCAD daily chart. It's not moving, right? It's just up and down, so not doing much. On Friday we have the news, everybody, so be careful. Okay, do you want to make a picture, everybody? Type in the chat, make a picture. Give me a second. Give me a second, everybody. It's always, you know, the cell phone. I need to quiet the cell phone. Yes, John, you can trade. Just type in the chat, everybody. Remember, I'm streaming on 2 platforms. One is Teams that you don't see on YouTube. The other one, it's on YouTube. Okay. Everybody, give me a second. I need to just answer something. Give me a second, everybody. Give me a second. Sorry about that. Give me a second. Alright, sorry about that. Yes, there is no right or wrong, everybody. Boss, what is the virtual office? The virtual office, it's an event, everybody. It's for the ones who are in the FOREX Course 202. Okay, we are trading together for 1 month. Moving forward, so everybody, this is EuroCAD, right? Euro dollar, max long on euro dollar. Max, do you want to change anything, Max? Euro dollar, where is euro dollar, everybody? Give me a second. Euro dollar, maybe. Oh, euro dollar is here. Max long on euro dollar. Remember, we have the non-farm payroll, right? We have the non-farm payroll. This is euro dollar daily chart. Max long daily market wave. All good, all good. Market wave on the daily still up. Nothing wrong. Max, do you want to get out of the position or do you want to stay in, Max? Type in the chat, everybody, if you want to. If you want to get out of the position, type in the chat. If you want to build a position, type in the chat. If you want to get out of the position, okay, everybody, just type in the chat. Close the trade, buy again, sell again. Alex, you are shorting NZD CAD. I'm not sure if Alex is here. Alex Ferris, are you here, Alex? On YouTube, maybe. Alex is shorting NZD CAD, USD CAD, AUD CAD. This is Rodrigo's GBP CAD, everybody, USD JPY, Bitcoin, NZD CAD. Alex shorting the short-term trend on the 4-hour chart. Still working, right, everybody? And give me a second. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Give me a second. Maybe we should do like this, right? Hope potentially. And now higher high, higher low in here, and down in here. So anyway, let's leave it like this so far. Then we're going to rearrange, right? Alex still good, not a big deal, Alex. And now we have a short on NZD CAD, everybody, for our chart. Can you see it? We had the signal, right? Give me a second. Okay, Mattia reacted. All good, everybody. Give me a second. I'm going to. Yeah, and we have 40 minutes, everybody, and I need to go. I'm sorry, right? September is going to be like this. Okay. Boss, can I participate in the virtual office? Yes, you can. Just send me an email, everybody. If you want to participate in the virtual office, send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Alright, and back to class, everybody, to the Forex Trading Week, where we're trying to implement what we have learned so far. Okay, Alex, tell me what you want to do. Max bought the short-term trend on USD CAD, and Alex, USD CAD, everybody. We bought this. So seeing here, what do you want to do, everybody? Do you want to get out? We just crowned, right? We crowned on, made a lower low in here, right? The market made a lower low. Do you want to get out, everybody? On, yeah, we crowned here just for a few pips. The market made a lower low. There is no right or wrong. Higher high, exactly. There is no right or wrong, everybody. Max says, I want to get out. Alright, Max, I'm closing your trade on USD CAD. Max wants to get out. We crowned. So close position. Whoops. Give me a second. Close position. There you go. USD CAD. Alex, you're still in. And Ricky, I'm not sure if Ricky is here. You know, it's buy on USD JPY. Okay, everybody. Give me a second. Okay, so let's go through a few charts, all right, everybody. Let's go one by one. AUD CAD, and then you tell me if you want to. There is no right or wrong, everybody. Do you want to trade? You know, we're going to AUD CAD, not the system, but we're going to. Give me a second. I'm not sure even if I have anything on the chart. Consolidation, Fibonacci doesn't work in consolidation. I don't have it in here, I'm sorry. You know. Yes, you can use trading with charts, it's not really a problem, everybody. Okay. And give me a second. Monthly chart, AUD CAD, right? Monthly chart, maybe. Alright. This is the. We didn't learn yet, but this is the original Fibonacci going down. This is the confirmation Fibonacci. And AUD CAD, you know, it's not doing much. Give me a second. AUD CAD on the weekly. Remember, we have on Friday we have the news, right? AUD CAD on the weekly, so we are still locked in this consolidation, right? On the weekly, everybody, weekly consolidation. Is bouncing up and down from pivot point. you know, and then you have now small consolidation. So maybe, just maybe, you know, the market's going to fall to go from here to here, right? And F11, everybody, where is the consolidation? So maybe, give me a second, if I go to weekly again, indicate weekly chart, oh, give me a second. So this would be the lower band. Give me a second. This would be the upper band, everybody. And now we are in here, jumping in between here. So this would be the smaller one, tiny one. This would be the upper tiny one, and we can go back to the daily now. So AUDK daily chart, maybe, just maybe, right? We're going to wait. Give me a second. Okay, so it's falling now, right, as we speak, right? It hit the upper band. Now it looks like it's going to go down. Okay, there is now the strategy is on you, everybody. There is no right or wrong. Okay, everybody, give me a second. There is no right or wrong. The strategy is on you. You can buy, sell. Thought shorting the daily market wave. All right, everybody, I don't have it here, so it's extension, retracement, extension. Is anybody shorting already? AUDCAD, Romildo shorting the 4 hour, and Olga it's long. Now Todd wants to short. Okay, give me a second. And entry, we're going to, Todd want to sell. Todd, sell. Okay, submit orders. Okay, so give me a second. Todd shorting the daily market wave. Todd, where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit, Todd? Okay, I'm going to wait for you, everybody. There is no right or wrong. Remember, every pattern has its own rules, right? Okay, boss, stop loss be above the high. So Todd is saying maybe, just maybe, give me a second. Yeah, give me a second. That's Todd in here, and I need to find the stop loss. And oh, like everybody else, congratulations. Okay, that's Todd stop loss, and your take profit is, Todd, correct me if I'm wrong, is this your take profit down here? Would this be okay, Todd? No, boss, take profit at the lower band of consolidation. Everybody, there is no right or wrong on your strategy, but do you understand that I'm going to do what you tell me to do, Todd? But Todd, if you enter right now, and this is your stop loss, Todd, and this is your take profit, everybody, help Todd out. Is Todd doing the correct way? Everybody? But the market can reverse it at consolidation. Sure. You cannot win this game, everybody, if you can risk more than you make. Make sense? I mean, all of those are techniques. If the market goes up and up and up, you are going to lose 3, everybody. So it doesn't really matter if you make 1. Make sense, everybody? Does this make sense? Do you want to change your stop loss and take profit, Todd? I'm going to do what you tell me to do. No, leave it there. Okay. All right, everybody. That's not the exactly. Maxine says that. Maxine, Marcus. All of you guys are telling Todd this is not the correct way to go, right? Not the correct way to go, Todd. Anyway, AUD we talked about. Let's move forward. AUD JPY. Let's see how it's AUD JPY. Let's see how it's AUD JPY. Everybody give me a second. AUD JPY on the daily. So we're trying to short the market, right? We're trying to short the market because of the monthly bands. Everybody saw extension, retracement, extension. Okay, and we are here. The market did just ground on the upside. So lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. See everybody how this works? Extension, retracement, extension on the red. Give it a second, give it a second. Yes, exactly as we're talking about, right? You need to pay attention to the detail. I'm not sure if Mattia is here. We talked about a lot, everybody. Listen up, listen up, listen up. Some of you are saying in classes, right? In private classes that, oh, but I don't like it. You must learn to understand the rules, everybody, because this market has logic. Make sense? Alright? This is the relevant low on this down market wave leg. Does this make sense? Everything and anything in between, it's called noise. Alright, everybody? The market is going to crush you on the smaller time frame because you hear a concept, but then you think, oh, but I don't like it. Fair enough? That's the relevant low, exactly. This is the relevant low. Yes, Max, this is the relevant low. Okay? And only when the market breaks this low, only and only then the short-term trend on the daily changed is going to change. Make sense, everybody? The green, it's a retracement on the uptrend. Does this make sense, everybody? No, Todd, you're mixing apples with bananas, Todd. Boss, I don't get it. The yellow one, it's the market wave, right? We've learned this in the previous lessons. So, AUD JPY daily chart. The yellow one, it's the extension, lower lows, lower highs. And then you have a retracement, higher highs, higher lows, and then you have an extension, lower lows, lower highs, confirming a new low, and then the market goes into the next retracement. And in the retracement, you need to pay attention to the detail, everybody. This is why you lose. Does this make sense? You are going to short a downtrend. You're going to believe, well, I'm shorting the market wave. Well, I'm sorry to tell you, you are not shorting the market wave because you don't have a change in the shortened trend on the market wave. James. Alright, everybody? See how the market is playing with you? Just because you see two lower lows, two lower highs, does not mean that you are in a downtrend. Take a picture of this, make annotations, jot it down. Just because I see... Okay, oh, you didn't tell me. Now I'm going to tell you. Just, whoops. Give me a second, everybody. 24. Just because I see a downtrend, and there is, this doesn't my English necessarily, correct my English everybody, necessarily. Bom dia, Remildo, o que você quer negociar? Compra, venda, necessarily mean that the short-term trend changed. Just because I see a downtrend, this doesn't necessarily mean, sorry, my English, right? Necessarily mean that the short-term trend changed. Romildo, okay, everybody, there is Romildo too. Bom dia, tudo bom? Temos esse Forex Trading Week, Romildo, e daqui uma hora começa a Virtual Office, de novo. Okay, so translate into Portuguese, everybody. Just because I see a downtrend, this doesn't necessarily mean that the short trend changed. Só porque eu estou vendo uma tendência de baixa, Romildo, não significa que a tendência, tendência mudou. Ok, everybody? Estou impossibilitado. Sem problemas, not a problem. Hoje, ok, tranquilo, sem problemas. Ok, everybody? This was not a change in the short-term trend, that's why you lost. Isso não foi mudança de tendência de curto prazo, por isso que você perdeu. Does this make sense? Faz sentido isso, Romildo? Romildo, tem galera aqui que vendeu a onda do mercado amarela e perdeu agora. Ok? Can you see, everybody? The short-term downtrend, it's a retracement on the relevant uptrend. Okay, everybody? The short-term not relevant downtrend, it's a retracement. Give me a second, everybody. So I'm going to, let's write this down. This is a not relevant short-term downtrend. It is really a retracement on the red relevant uptrend. Okay, everybody? Esse é o DJPY. Sim, Romildo, esse é o DJPY. Ok, everybody? Romildo, teve pessoal que vendeu tendência de curto prazo e perdeu. Ok. There were some. It's all good. We are here to learn, everybody, not judging anybody. But you were shorting, everybody. You were shorting an uptrend, makes sense? Estavam vendendo uma tendência de alta. Ok. Let me help you. Alright. So, give me a second text. Give me a second. So, this is the relevant uptrend on the yellow market wave. For the yellow market wave to be in a new extension, the market must break the relevant red low. Romildo is smiling, says, I can imagine. Okay, everybody? This is the, give me a second, I need to go this and display distance label, alright, here too. Distance label, alright, here too. Here too, distance label, alright. Give me a second. Better? This is the relevant uptrend on the yellow market wave. Essa é o uptrend relevante, tendência de alta relevante, da onda do mercado amarela. Ok? For the yellow market wave to be in a new extension, the market must break the relevant red low. Para o mercado, para nós falar do mercado que está numa nova extensão em português, everybody, the market must break the relevant red low, right? Everybody take a picture, screenshot, photo. Type in the chat done, everybody. Type in the chat done. Faz fotinho, Romildo, coloca lá no chat done. Feito. This is you learning stuff, everybody. Alright? If you lost. Okay, so let's make it better, right? Give me a second. Let's make it another one, short line. Okay, let's make it like this and red and like this maybe, and like this. Okay, here, you know, and another annotation, another golden nugget. Give me a second. So text here is the stop loss on the short, stop loss on the short. Okay, everybody, so we're going to do like circle out. We're going to leave the rectangle and here circle. Okay, and so we are going to put like here and here, and we're going to do another one. Vamos fazer mais uma, Romildo. Okay, so okay, I need to learn. Eu preciso aprender. I need to learn. I was stopped out because I was shorting a retracement. I was shorting a retracement on the short-term trend. Oh yes, but period, end of story, everybody. Alright. So here is going to be edit label. This is going to be number one. Okay, here is going to be edit label. Here is going to be number two, and here is going to be number three, edit label number three. Give me a second. Okay, make a picture photo. Okay, number one, this is the relevant uptrend on the yellow market wave. All right, this is the relevant uptrend, retracement on the yellow, a retracement on the yellow, everybody. And let's see if it's okay like this. This is the relevant uptrend, retracement on the yellow. Okay, this is the relevant uptrend. Okay, so on the yellow, give me a second. Give me a second, maybe like this. This is the relevant uptrend. Essa é a tendência de alta relevante. Retracement on the yellow, retração na amarela. This is the relevant uptrend. Retracement on the yellow market wave. For the yellow market wave to be in a new extension, the market must break the relevant red low. So we're talking about this one, everybody, here to here to here, right? This is what we're talking about. Estamos falando disso aqui, ó. Alright? Para o mercado estar numa extensão, for the market to be in the new extension, everybody, the market must break, you know, the relevant low, right? This is the relevant low, everybody. Give me a second. Okay. Number two, this is not relevant short-term downtrend. You know, this is not relevant short-term downtrend. Edit label green. The green it's not the relevant short-term downtrend. It's really a retracement on the red relevant uptrend. Okay? So you have relevant and not relevant. Você tem relevante e não relevante. Okay? We have relevant patterns and not relevant patterns. Okay? Temos padrões relevantes, temos padrões não relevantes. And number three, you know, I need to learn. I was stopped out because I was shorting a retracement on the short-term uptrend. Eu perdi porque eu fui negociar uma retração numa tendência de alta. I was stopped out. Okay, let's make it better. Vamos melhorar. I was stopped out on the green because I was shorting a retracement on the short-term uptrend, the red. Give me a second, everybody. Okay. I need to learn. I was stopped out on the green because I was shorting a retracement on the short-term uptrend, which is the red. Eu perdi aqui porque eu fui negociar uma retração na tendência de alta. Everybody, does this make sense? Faz sentido isso? Make it a picture photo, everybody. We're going to do this and undock here. So I need to start posting more on Instagram, right? Give me a second, everybody. So like this and like this and like this. Okay. Trend, so make it bigger a little bit. Oh, we need to go here and here and here and here. Okay, give me a second, maybe like this. Me too. Give me a second, everybody new. I'm going to make it for the Instagram. Alright, so archivo, salvar. Forex 101, and now it's learning about relevant patterns and not relevant patterns. Okay, it's Forex Trading Week lesson, Forex Trading Week lesson 2025. There you go. Okay, everybody, I'm going to go back in here. Romildo, are you still here, Romildo? Está aqui ainda, Romildo? Romildo, you are winning on shorting AUD CAD. Romildo está ganhando no vender AUD Canadá. And Todd, you're winning shorting the AUD CAD too. Todd está ganhando, Todd entrou hoje. Okay. Olga, I'm not sure Olga is here. Olga was buying, you know, everybody. Now we're on AUD JPY, right? So let's go on the next one. AUD NZD, we're not trading it. AUD USD, we're staying out. Canada CHF, Canada JPY. Romildo, se quer continuar, se quer construir posição, se quer sair. I'm asking Romildo if he wants to get out, if he wants to build a position. So back to AUD CAD, everybody. Remember, we have Canadian news. Temos notícia do Canadá na sexta-feira. We have Canadian news on Friday. So everybody, Canada. Você quer ficar, Romildo? Você quer sair ou você quer gerenciar? Romildo, do you want to manage your trade, exit your trade, double down? Você quer reentrar? Você quer construir uma posição? Everybody, what's the time? I'm sorry, everybody. 3 minutes I need to go. Tem 3 minutos, depois tem que ir. Sorry about that. Romildo, I want to continue. Alright. Okay, so we talked about AUD CAD, everybody. Now let's talk about AUD JPY, AUD NZD, AUD USD, Canada CHF, Canada JPY. So Canada is strong, right? Canada is strong. Deixa rolar, alright. Vamos deixar rolar. Você gosta de rolar, né? Canada JPY going up still, so no. Everybody, Canada CHF, CHF JPY. Let's see CHF JPY, how it's going with CHF JPY. Vamos vendo CHF JPY. Give it a second, everybody. Still going up, so CHF is strong. Next one, CHF is strong. Euro AUD. Does anybody want to enter Euro AUD, everybody? Euro AUD, let's see, let's wait. There is no right or wrong anyway. Give it a second, give it a second. Julius says, hello boss. On Teams. We're streaming on Teams, everybody. How is Euro AUD? Euro AUD, Euro AUD. Oh, those are all the Fibonacci's. Whoa, we are far, far, far away. How is Euro AUD? We're here. Alright. So the market kind of going up. Maybe, just maybe. You know. And the next one. 1 minute, everybody, and I need to go. I'm sorry. See you back tomorrow, right? Yeah, this month is going to be this schedule. I'm sorry. I know some of you are working. You're going to watch the recording, alright? EuroCAD, we bought the market. Give me a second, everybody. EuroCAD. And so Canada is strong. It's going down. Okay, we're going to see. Okay. So Canada is strong, then one more, everybody. Then USD CAD, it's supposed to fall. Please, can we have time to please? Okay, give me a second, everybody. Give me a second. So no, it's not. So USD is also strong. It's going up. USD. Can you see, everybody? Ok, I'm sorry, I need to go. Disculpa, thank you, everybody. See you back tomorrow, same time. Não se vê amanhã. Tomorrow, 9 a.m. Brazilian time, everybody. It should be 8 a.m. New York time. Ok? See you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Até amanhã. Valeu, obrigado.